I'm here with Lee Jensen, who has been part of the Garlic Festival family for over 10 years. Let me back up and show you the booth. We're down here at the OC Fair, and Lee is definitely one of our star partners. I'd like to take a moment of Lee's time. Lee, why have you been with Garlic Festival Foods for such a long period of time, and what could you tell others that are considering joining our family?
I'll tell you what, Greg. Number one, our family of customers is insanely happy with what we do, and the enthusiasm that they show every show when they come to the booth and they're looking for garlic garni for starters, and then to have them sample all of the other great products that we have. It makes it so much fun, and it's exciting every day just to be here and watch them come up and sample and purchase our products year after year after year. We have almost a cult-like following. It's just so amazing. Not to mention the sales are good, the money's good, the fair atmosphere, we get to travel around. I mean, it's just a win-win for everyone.
Well, Lee, I know this is only our first take, but you know what? I think we might have done it right there. It comes so natural to Lee, and we hope you join our family, it'll come natural to us. Once again, that's Lee Jensen, one of our best members at the OC Fair. Thank you very much, Lee.